Set to go. Race number 8. Pildercom Handicap Category number 11. This race will run over the distance of 1,300 meters. Stand by now for dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. I Am Strong draws for the early lead. And moving up by the rail is One Bahamas. Itchy Perfect is racing in third. Then down in fourth, moving up is Yes Boy, Long Nose Hawk, Supervise, and Lakewood is in behind them, heading towards the 900 meters pole. One Bahamas in command, followed by I Am Strong in second and racing in third. Itchy Perfect, Yes Boy by the rail. Then comes Long Nose Hawk, Supervise, and Lakewood still in behind them. Rounding at the 600, it's still One Bahamas leading the field, followed closely now by I Am Strong in second, racing in third. Itchy Perfect, Long Nose Hawk now coming in closer, so a Supervise. As they race for home, Pat Dilemma on I Am Strong now goes right for the lead from the outside. One Bahamas shuffle back in second. Then comes Supervise, Long Nose Hawk. And down the stretch they come. It's I Am Strong leading the field, Supervise, and moving up by the rail, Yes Boy. I Am Strong by about 3 lengths now, followed by Supervise, Yes Boy by the rail, and finally Pat Dilemma, I Am Strong, Yes Boy close, then Long Nose Hawk and Supervise, then